If you are in the market for a brand new home, but you're looking under $400,000, I have 3 beautiful homes that I'm about to show you today. We are right here in Princeton, Texas, right on the border of Princeton and McKinney. I'm about to show you guys this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. And guys, check this out. This is priced at $369,000. I can't wait to show you guys this first one. So let's go ahead and get started. I am extremely excited to show you guys this absolutely stunning home. So let's get started. As soon as you enter the home, you are greeted with these luxury vinyl plank floors right at the front door that leads you all the way over into the heart of your home. 4-inch baseboards are carried throughout this home as well. I love the fact that you have a ton of storage in this home, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's start right here up front. You do have your powder bath. Remember, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,300 square foot home for $369,000. Right here to the right of your foyer, you do have some storage space here that goes under your staircase. That is your coat closet. You could use that to store suitcases and things of that nature. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the heart of your home. You have this massive open concept living room, dining room, kitchen area. Can't wait to show you guys that kitchen, but you have these beautiful picture windows that allow natural light to flow over into this space. You have a view of your backyard from your living room as well. And if we were to continue right over here, you have your dining room, and I love how open this is. There's really no walls that are interrupting your view in this home. You have granite countertops, subway tile backsplash right here in your kitchen. You have a stainless steel inlaid sink right here. And I love the fact this is set up for entertaining. You could actually add 4 bar stools right over here and access to your living room right over there. In your kitchen, you do have shaker style cabinets. One thing I want to point out, guys, all of your appliances come with this home. Stainless steel appliances in your kitchen as well. And as you guys can see, you don't have a shortage of storage here. You have a ton of cabinet space. And if we were to go on the other side of your kitchen, you have access to your 2-car garage, which we'll go out and take a look at that. But right here to your left, you do have your walk-in pantry already built out with shelving there. Absolutely beautiful. And to the right of this hallway is your utility room. And guys, normally I wouldn't take you out in a garage to show you the garage, but this is something that I really wanted to point out. Check this out, guys. You already have your 220 volt for your Tesla. So if you have an electric vehicle, you're already outfitted for that. You have your sprinkler system right here. You have a tankless hot water in this home. What more could you ask for? And before we go upstairs, I do want to take the opportunity to show you guys your backyard. Remember, guys, this home is only $369,000, but check out the size of this backyard. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome upstairs. As soon as you come upstairs, you enter into your very own game room. Remember, there's 4 bedrooms in this home. All 4 bedrooms are located upstairs. You have bedroom number 1 here, so let's go and check that out. This bedroom sits at the front of the home, and you guys can see they carried those same baseboards throughout the entire home. Decent sized room. You could put a full size bed in this room as well. You have a little cutout space over here for maybe like a reading nook, and then your closet area there. Just on to the left of bedroom number 1 is bedroom number 2. This is a decent sized room. I would say this is the biggest of all of the secondary bedrooms. Decent size room. You could put a queen size bed in here. I would say you can fit a king size bed in here as well. You don't have the largest closet, but ladies and gentlemen, this home is only $369,000. Just outside of all of your bedrooms, right off of your game room, is bathroom, your full bathroom number 1. So you have luxury vinyl plank floors in your bathroom as well. Beautiful tile that's carried all the way up to the ceiling, and check out that granite countertop. You do have dual sinks there. I love the shaker style cabinets. That dark chocolate color is absolutely beautiful. And before we go and see your primary bedroom, which is located on the back of the home, we are gonna view bedroom number 3. This is a smaller of your secondary bedrooms. I would say you could use this as a nursery. This would be a really good study. If you needed a study in your home, you can actually use this bedroom as well. And just at the back of your home, you actually have your primary bedroom. You have beautiful vaulted ceilings right here in your primary bedroom. You could fit a California king size bed in this bedroom. Absolutely stunning. Your closet is located right at the front of your bedroom. You do have a walk-in closet with a ton of hanging racks. You have storage on this side of your closet as well. And now let's go and check out your primary bathroom. And just through these French doors, you are led right over into your primary bathroom. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank floors on the floor. You have a soaking tub. Your shower area is there. Just adjacent to that area is where your his and hers vanities are. Matte black cabinets and this beautiful granite countertop on your his and hers vanity. Just at the back of your primary bedroom is your water closet. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Now we're about to go and see the second home for today. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square feet of interior living space with a 2-car garage. It is a single-story home priced at only $314,000. Let's go and take a tour. So let's get started with this amazing tour. I love the fact that even from the front door right here in your foyer, in true fashion, LGI Homes gives you luxury vinyl plank throughout your living spaces. Right here to the left of your foyer, you do have your coat closet for those. You can store your coats there for those 2 or 3 weeks that we need coats here in North Texas. And check this out, ladies and gentlemen, you are greeted with this galley style kitchen, beautiful shaker style cabinets, granite countertops, matte black finishes throughout your kitchen. I love the fact that you have these stainless steel appliances and a ton of storage right here in your kitchen. Check out how much counter space you have in this kitchen. I love those subway tile backsplash that you have right there. Even more storage on this side of your kitchen. To your left, you do have your pantry area right here with a ton of shelving, and just behind your kitchen, you have your utility room. You have a rack up here to hang things, shelving just above that. If you wanted to put cabinets up there, that would actually be a great place for storage. And just through this door is your 2-car garage. Guys, when you've seen one garage, you've seen them all, but you have a 2-car garage here. I do want to point out that you do have your 220 volt for your electric vehicle here as well. And in true fashion, this builder does give you a tankless hot water heater. So back out into this large kitchen. Guys, remember, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,400 square feet of interior living space. And check out how open the concept of this home is. You do have room enough to add 3 to 4 large bar stools right here at your countertop. This area would be your dining room, and the rest of this is open as your living room as well. But just on the back of your home, you do have your primary bedroom. Before we go and visit the primary, let's go and check out bedrooms number 1 and bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 1, located right here in the middle of the home. You have this luxurious carpet on the floor, a window that's allowing natural light to pour into this space. I just want to back up to show you guys the scale of this bedroom, and then I will show you the closet. Just outside of bedroom number 1 is bath number 1. You do have granite countertops, matte black shaker style cabinets there. Beautiful tile work over your tub area as well. And just outside of bathroom number 1 is bedroom number 2. This would actually be the smaller of the 2 secondary bedrooms, but this is a decent sized room. You could actually fit a full size bed in this room as well. Guys, remember this home is 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1,400 square feet of interior living space in this home. Back out into our living room. Just on the other side of our living room is your primary bedroom, so let's go and check that out. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to where the magic happens in this home. You have this large primary bedroom on the back of your home, 2 beautiful picture windows allowing natural light to flood into this room, matte black fan up above, and this door will lead us right over into your primary bathroom. You have your shower area straight ahead. Your vanity sits right over here. That same matte black shaker style vanity is right here in your bathroom. I love the fact that they carried that matte black throughout this entire home, and that same beautiful tile work is in your shower area as well. Your toilet is right over there. You do have a linen closet in your primary bathroom, and then your walk-in closet is over here. It's good you have shelving in here. You can actually maximize that space and back out through your primary bedroom. We're actually gonna go and check out the backyard. Guys, you have a covered patio here. I'm gonna back out so you guys can see the entire covered patio. You have a private backyard with fencing already back here. You have enough room over here if you wanted to add a dog run over here. Put a little gate over there. You can let your dogs run on that side. That way your kids can be in the backyard over here playing. You do have a covered patio right here as well. So guys, remember this home was 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1,400 square feet of interior living space, luxury vinyl plank floors throughout the living areas of this home, beautiful granite countertops right here in your kitchen, open concept for only $315,000, $314,900 for this home. If you are in the market to purchase a home, feel free to scan the QR code on the screen to schedule a one-on-one consultation with me, to ask any questions, or to schedule a tour of this one. So now let's go and check out the last home for today. Okay guys, now the last house that we're gonna see in this neighborhood is this beautiful 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-story home, guys. 2,300 square feet of interior living space. Absolutely beautiful, guys. This home is priced for only $365,000. So let's go and take a tour. So let's get started with this amazing tour. Right here in the foyer of your home, you have these 20-foot ceilings that greet you as soon as you enter the home. I love how open this concept is. Guys, remember this home is only $365,000. Absolutely beautiful. Before we get into the heart of the home, you do have your powder bath right here. Remember, this is a 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath home. So you have your powder, so your guests can actually use the restroom right here in the front of your home when you do have guests. This leads us right over into the heart of our home. Massive living room area that you have right here. You have a coat closet just on this side of your living room, but I love how open the concept is in this home. You can see right from your kitchen right over into your living room. Out of all 3, I love this floor plan. This one's only a 3 bedroom, but I absolutely love this floor plan. This leads us right over into our eat-in kitchen area. Large kitchen. It would be nice to have an island in the middle right here, but you have plenty of space for cooking and moving around in your kitchen. Shaker style cabinets. I love the fact that you have your pocket lights up top. You do have granite countertops, matte black finishes in your kitchen And then you have a 4-burner stove over here with your oven combination microwave just above that. Like I mentioned before, with this builder, you get all of your appliances as well. The only thing you're gonna have to buy is a washer and a dryer. But if you give me a call, we close on this home before the end of the month, I'll make sure we get your washer and dryer included as well. You do have your pantry right here to the right. It's not a walk-in pantry, but it is already outfitted with your shelving, and your utility room is just right here to your left. This door leads you over into your 2-car garage, and just like the other homes, you do have your 220 volt for your electric vehicles. Now let's go and check out the backyard. Now I love the backyard in this home. Out of all 3 of the homes that we have toured today, this is the biggest backyard. You do have an elementary school just behind you. So if you buy this home, ladies and gentlemen, your kids are going to school right there. Could you imagine like looking over the gate, watching your kids play at school in the daytime for recess? But you have a massive backyard back here. You don't have a covered patio, but you do have a ton of space in your backyard. Welcome to the 2nd level of this beautiful home. As soon as you come upstairs, like I told you guys before, you do have 20-foot ceilings right there in your foyer. But as soon as you come upstairs, you enter into this massive game room that we have right here. Your primary bedroom is located on the front of the home. We'll see that last. Right now, let's go and check out bedrooms number 1. Right here to the right at the rear of the home is bedroom number 1. This is a decent sized room. The thing I love about this is because it's 3 bedrooms, they actually spread this out across this 22 to 2,300 square feet. So you get larger bedrooms, bigger closets, right? So you have a bigger closet here, have a walk-in closet in your secondary bedroom in this beautiful home. That's bedroom number 1. Just outside of bedroom number 1 is bedroom number 2. This would be the smaller of the secondary bedrooms, but this is still not a tiny bedroom. You have a walk-in closet in this bedroom as well. And just outside of bedroom number 2 is your first full bathroom. Luxury vinyl plank floors on the floor here in your bathroom. You do have granite countertops, matte black finishes throughout, and those same beautiful tiles are over your tub shower combination area. Now, I know what you guys are waiting for. Let's go and check out where the mortgage payers will actually live at in this home. Check out how massive, absolutely massive this primary bedroom is. You do have this wall of windows right here that's going to allow the natural light to pour into this home, but you have a huge primary bedroom in the back of this home, on the front of the home. Here is your primary bath. You do have this large vanity, matte black shaker style cabinets. And just over here, you have a soaker tub. This door is your water closet. So that's where your toilet is. And you've seen one water closet, you've seen them all, right? And just on the back here, you do have your glass encased shower. So you have your shower there, your soaking tub here, vanity straight ahead. And just on this side is this large, I mean, absolutely large walk-in closet.